Hello, my name is Dimitri Lascaris. I'm a resident of the city of Providence. I'd like to state my objection to House Bill 7688. Is that what we're talking about? The Extreme Protection Order. Before I get into my objection, I'd like to thank the Rhode Island ACLU for their analysis of this bill, detailing the lack of due process and intrusive powers it enables. When reading this bill, I was immediately concerned with Section 8.313, liability. I'm worried that government agencies will be entrusted with determining someone's ability to exercise a civil right. The potential for mistakes and abuse by courts and law enforcement is tremendous. Let's all be honest, their track record for protecting civil liberties is less than stellar. Why is there no criminal or civil liability for acts relating to false statements or omissions that are made under oath in the affidavit? To ensure accountability in the courts and law enforcement, any perjury or blatant omissions must be treated as a civil rights violation, and the injured party should be able to file criminal charges or seek civil penalties. Will the belief that government can't be trusted to protect my inalienable rights label me as mentally ill? Are anti-authoritarians mentally ill? From what I hear from some mainstream politicians, it is. How far have these ideas permeated the justice and legal system? Will people's sanity be judged based on political beliefs? Will laws like this stifle free speech due to the fear of being labeled? I heard a lot of testimony earlier from the Coalition from Domestic Violence, stating that this bill would help victims of domestic violence and touting the work of law enforcement. I find it hard to take his opinion seriously. I testified here a few months ago and pointed out that they were allowing a demographic with 2 to 4 times the likelihood for a propensity to commit domestic violence and exemption on that law. Why should law enforcement be allowed to carry a firearm on duty after a domestic violence incident? I believe this group's message is hypocritical and should not be taken seriously. To ensure accountability, the courts and law enforcement, where does this insanity stop? Will we limit the people's right to vote or exercise free speech based on judgments from law enforcement? Will we revoke driver's licenses and confiscate vehicles because of the fear that they may do something? This bill is ridiculous, and I please ask you to disregard it. Thank you.